Svantek, Sound and Vibration Measurement Solutions.
In this tutorial, I will show you how to download and install the Building Acoustics Assistant app on your phone. To download Svantek's app, go to svantek.com, choose Support tab, and then go to Download. However, if you are not logged in, you will be asked to do so, or to create a user ID on our website to get extended options. After selecting the desired software and compatible version for your device, you can begin the download and installation process. While opening the application installation file, you may be asked to change your settings regarding unknown file sources. If this occurs, configure your settings to allow the installation of apps from sources other than Google Play, etc. Once this is done, the installation wizard will assist you with installing the Svantek app. Of course, you can also download the Building Assistant app and all other Svantek apps directly from Google Play. Please don't forget to rate us and leave a comment. When opening the Building Acoustics Assistant app for the first time, you will be asked standard permission questions, like allowing the app access to your photos, media, and files on your device, as well as allowing access to the device location. After completing these steps, you will be able to use all the great features that come with our app.
Svantek, continuous innovation. Visit us at svantek.com.